welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I was going to go check out Meep City again because there's been some updates since I last went on this game. So we're going to get right into the game and yeah, I guess let's get started. So you can't see but there is a red button on the top there and it's but okay. Right, so what we're going to do on Meep City is I think we're going to go check out my house, and yeah, I think we're going to start off with that. Why am I naked? Do, 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 do. Right, I'm going to reset my avatar so you guys know what I look like. I look like this. Right, okay, we're going to do my hair, and I really like that hair that I just had. It's so nice. Right, we're going to turn it down. These kitty ears, I like them. I like them. Yes, we need a backwards cap. I don't even care if it doesn't show. Yep, there we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Clothing. Of course we're going to have an emoji. Poop. Like, who wouldn't it? No, so if we go, I got my hair. We done the biggest like fabric. And here, what we should this past braid. So, Meeps. You and thank you. You to get them home. My ex out stuff. Shops. We I know chain cool looking. Because we're going to. And a craft again. Exit. So guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please do give a big fat thumbs up to my channel and I will see you all next time. Goodbye guys.